G'day, here's a small lower grade parcel of seam/knobby material from Lightning Ridge. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. Just gone in a little bit so focus a bit more on the stone. To keep tumbling it to get rid of all the clay, it just starts wearing the opal away, so we tend to stop at a point like this where you can see what's in the material. The clay grinds away quite easily. Something like this you need to either grind or saw from an end and keep looking at it to see if this colour shows, because quite often it can. This is a good example of little mini knobbies. There's quite a few pieces here, but they are low grade, but the price reflects that. Bit of crystal type material. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.